Shaquena coming to you loud, live in the color. Hey, my people. Hey, my people. I'm coming to you today with a little eating show. Today I will be having rice and chicken that my mom cooked. So I hope that you enjoy this meal right along with me. Make sure you put down below what you ate with me if you ate anything while you was watching my video. But let's just get started, shall we? I said, you could tell him to come over here and get it. I said, but look how long it's been. He ain't said nothing about my money. No, he ain't said nothing about the money, but that's all right. God don't like ugly. He ain't too fond of pretty. You so silly. You a silly with a little girl. Mama, I just got the phone on. Eat your food today. It's kind of hard, but I want to think. And then they got cold quick. No, you should not eat all your chicken. Eat your rice, and then you get another piece of chicken. I got my rice and my chicken. I gave you your rice and your chicken. You want me to cut you on that hand with that switch out on your ear? Now get your hand off your ear and put it on that spoon and eat your rice. I wasn't talking about who I was talking about you. It's on my ear. I thought that my ear. No. I'm dead. Excuse me. I'm smelling my food. End of my video, put chicken and rice in the comment section. Like I said, let me know what you ate right along with me, if you ate anything. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell twice to be notified of when I upload videos, because I upload every day. Like I always say at the end of all my videos, have fun playing with your nails if you wear nails, or if you're going your own, have fun playing with your makeup if you wear makeup, or you just learn how to use it. And y'all, please live life, because God only gives you one. Bye.